Dora Starry Christmas. It was Christmas Eve, and everyone at Dora's house was getting excited for the celebration. Dora's baby brother and sister couldn't wait for Dora to tell them the story of Santa and the reindeer. Far away, in a little toy shop at the North Pole, lived a jolly old man called Santa Claus, Dora began. Ooh, cooed the babies. Dora continued. Every Christmas Eve, Santa's flying reindeer pulled a sleigh around the world so he can deliver presents. Just then they heard a whoosh and a swoosh right outside the door. I wonder who that can be, said Dora. Everyone ran outside just in time to see Santa's sleigh and the 8 flying reindeer land in the front yard. Ayúdame, por favor. I need your help, called Santa. Achoo! Sneezed the reindeer. Santa explained that his reindeer had gotten colds. If my reindeers aren't feeling their best, then I can't fly around the world delivering presents. My Christmas surprise will be ruined, cried Santa. I can help the reindeer get well, said Diego. He wrapped each reindeer in a cozy, warm blanket and made some special carrot soup for them to eat. Now they just need some time to rest, and they'll all be better, said Diego. But how will my sleigh fly without my reindeer, wondered Santa. Dora knew that Santa would need help to make all of his Christmas deliveries. Suddenly, she had an idea. The Explorer Stars can help fly your sleigh and help you save Christmas, she exclaimed. Explorer Stars, come quick, called Dora. We need your help. 8 Explorer Stars flew out of Dora's glowing star pocket and hitched themselves to the sleigh. I'll stay here and care for the reindeer, said Diego, as Mommy, Papi, Abuela, and the babies waved goodbye. Up, up, and away we go, called Santa. The megastars used their strength to pull the sleigh high into the night sky. With Rocket Star's help, the sleigh flew faster than ever before. Soon it arrived at its first stop. Santa asked Dora and Boots to help him deliver all the presents to the whale, fish, turtles in the ocean. Merry Christmas, everyone, called Boots. And Dora, as Dora carefully launched the presents. Throughout the night, the Explorer Stars pulled the sleigh to all the small towns and big cities. The sleigh landed on every rooftop so that Santa and his reindeers could fill each stocking and deliver presents to every boy, girl, and animal. They were careful not to miss anyone, not even the littlest mouse. On the way to deliver presents to the rainforest, clouds covered up the moon. I can't see, said Santa. I need more light. Don't worry, said Dora. Glowy Star can help. So Glowy shined her lights extra bright. Now, do you see the rainforest? Asked Dora. I see it, called Santa as he steered the sleigh towards the treetops. Next, the Explorer Stars flew the sleigh towards the barn, a garden, and a treehouse. Can you find the presents for Benny, Isa, and Tico? Said Santa. Dora and Boots searched through the sleigh until they found some special presents for their friends. And here's a present for Swiper, exclaimed Dora. I guess Swiper really likes Christmas, giggled Boots, when he spotted Swiper's foxhole. Finally, at sunrise, Santa guided the sleigh back to Dora's house. To Santa, Joy of his reindeer was feeling much better. "Thank you for helping my reindeer and delivering the Christmas presents. I couldn't have done it without all of you," said Santa. He reached into his nearly empty sack and pulled out an extra special present for his helpers. When they unwrapped the present, they found a special music box. "This music box will always remind you of the night you helped save Christmas," said Santa. "Gracias," exclaimed Dora, Boots, and Diego. "Now let's celebrate," cheered Santa. "We did it!" called Dora. "Feliz Navidad! Merry Christmas!"